So I know you guys know that I normally teach IT, and basically the purpose of my channel is basically to empower you guys on how to make some extra money in terms of your day-to-day lives. And for the longest time, you guys know that I'm the IT guru. I teach AWS, I teach Oracle database administration, and you know and for some people that's what they want to learn. And you can go on my channel, you can go on our website, and get even more information. But for others, this might not be something that you want, but you do still need to make some quick money, right? And I got the perfect business for you guys, and that's going to be selling diabetic test strips, right? It's the easiest business that I could come up with for you guys, and that's why I'm teaching you guys how to actually get it done. All right. So right now, if you guys look, this is the neighborhood that I'm in. Right. This is a straight up working neighborhood, as you guys can see, where I just picked up some boxes, right? And to be even more specific, these are the boxes that I actually picked up, right? So like I picked up like three of these boxes, and then I picked up another one of these boxes, and then I picked up and then I picked up right this box, right. So with all that said, all that right there is about 500 bucks, right? That I just picked up in basically 30 minutes, easy, just easy. And I mean, I just drove down the neighborhood, right? The neighborhood was basically about 30 minutes away. I just picked it up and I'm going back home. It's really that simple, right? Like, I can't think of an easier business for you guys to actually start and to make money than selling diabetic test strips. It's really that simple, right? People have it that people need this money. You know what I'm saying? So what you do is it's real simple, right? Like, if the diabetic test strips, right, are going, if you know you can sell something for $100, but you can give somebody 10, 20 bucks to help them out, they were going to throw the boxes away anyway. So basically you just made $80, off that one box, right? Real simple. So if you have like five of those boxes, or six of those boxes, you just make what, 480 bucks, 500 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Real simple. Just like that, right? So this is definitely a business that I think that everybody can get into. If you guys are really interested in learning how I do it, just go to boxflippers.com. That's just box and then flippers.com, right? So I'll put the link in the description or whatnot. But this stuff is real. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, I teach IT. I still do teach IT. For those of you who are trying to learn how to get into Oracle, for those of you who are trying to learn how to get into AWS, all you got to do is go to newwayitsolutions.com, or you can go to training.newwayitsolutions.com, right? And then just register and sign up for the classes over there. But right, this is going to be a channel moving forward where I'm going to actually empower you guys how to actually take control of your finances. You know what I'm saying? As men, as women, I just don't want to just keep it at IT and that's it. I just don't want to be a one-trick pony. I want to show you guys how to actually make it happen, regardless of what your circumstances are. I just literally showed you guys, like, if you look at these, like right here, if you look at my thing right here, you can see that it's filled with boxes, right? That's 500 bucks. That's just gonna go in my pocket. I just ship it out to the people that I know are gonna buy it, and within minutes I got my money, easy, no problem. All you gotta do is just drive over to the places and just go get that money, right? So it's real simple, guys. If you're interested in signing up, you just go to boxflippers.com. Real simple. You can do like two of these pickups a day, right? So that's like $1,000 a day, right? But if you want to learn how to actually get to the point where you're making 500, 1,000, $1,500 in a day, you got to join the course. It's boxflippers.com. And I know there are other people that are teaching this, and some people aren't teaching this, or they don't teach it to the level that we get into. But a lot of people that teach this stuff, they're gonna charge you like $1,700, $1,800 just for the course. We're not anywhere close to that. If you want to get into the course, yo, it's 399. I mean, come on, like we can't make it any cheaper than that. It's 399, and within the first week, I mean, the first 3 days, you'll make your money back easy. I mean, just look at this. Yo, this box alone right here. If you get like, if you get like five of these boxes, you just pay for your registration. Easy, done. You know what I'm saying? The rest, even if you don't make any more money, at least you know, and you made your money back. Done. You don't have to do this business anymore. You know what I'm saying? Just this little box right here, just this right here. Get two of those. You pay for your registration. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So look, it's a no-brainer business. It's one of those businesses that you can get into, make money. You know what I'm saying? Make money real quick. You know what I'm saying? And support yourself, right? For those of you who are looking to either pay off some debt, just pay off your car note, have some extra money for your vacations. Perfect business. You know what I'm saying? This is not one of those businesses you got to work 10 hours to make $500, 10 hours to make $200. Nah, this ain't one of those $20 an hour type of jobs. It's simple. You're just meeting a service. You just going to somebody, picking up some boxes, you shipping them off. Done. Real simple. You know what I'm saying? Still, I'm right here in the field, as you guys can see. I just met with one of my clients just now. I just made it happen. $500 just like that. You know what I'm saying? If I had more time, I'd definitely be doing this a lot more. But guys, as you guys know, I'm constantly creating new things, curating new websites for you guys to learn and grow. And I am still teaching IT, but I have something even bigger in the works for you guys. That look, it's just gonna be crazy by the time I'm done, right? So, you guys know that if you do want to get into IT right now, you can get a job paying you between $120,000 to $150,000 per year. I teach you how to do all that. Just go to newwayitsolutions.com, right? But for those in the future, right, once this is done, this is going to get to the point where instead of you paying the what you're paying right now, you're going to be paying something as cheap as your Starbucks every day. It's as simple as that. Because I don't want any excuse for you guys not to be able to get this money and what I'm saying, provide for your family and all that good stuff, right? So so I'm constantly creating for you guys. I'm constantly telling you guys my ideas. But moving forward, I'm just going to be sharing you guys my ideas of as to what I think what's going on in society. You know what I'm saying? How to get better. You know what I'm saying? How to man up and all that good stuff, right? So I just try to be an example for you guys. Okay. So yeah, again, the link is going to be in the descriptions for the IT classes. But for those of you who are really interested in this box flippers business, like I said, this is one of those businesses, and the way our course is designed is for you to take action immediately. Our course, literally, you watch all the videos. It's like between an hour to 3 hours. Done. You're done. The next day, take action. Start making money. It's not one of those things where you got to wait 2 months and watch all these videos and all that and practice. No, this is a street business where you can go out there. This is your business. You watch the videos, take action. That's what we're all about. You know what I'm saying? And we're not gonna charge you that much to get into it. It's just $3.99. Really that simple. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm out here in the streets. I just want to post that out to you guys. So if you guys are interested in this, reach out to me, boxflippers.com. I'll see you guys later. All right, talk to you soon.